Head coach Chris Gould here as the Eagles pick up another win at home today over local rival Vanguard today. Coach, you guys put a lot of points on the board, 5 goals to 1. How are we able to be so successful offensively today?
Well, we knew it was going to be an open game because Vanguard typically is an attack-minded team. They like to run numbers forward. So, before the game we were talking about taking care of the transition opportunities and making sure that we get the final pass right and have good movement. It just turned out that guys stepped up and they played a good team effort, which is what you need against a team like Vanguard. And I thought Alfie, what a great goal. I mean, that's a really special goal that they gave us the lift, and we just kind of went from there.
You guys are 7-0 in conference now, and kind of reaching that point where you're going to be able to clinch the conference if you keep getting wins and ties. How do you keep your guys hungry for that goal and beyond that?
Well, I think it's more about us building as a team. We still don't do things as fluid as we want to, and we're not as efficient as we want to be. But if you look from where we started day one to where we're at now, the coordination and how guys move off each other and read the play off each other is getting a lot tighter. So I'm happy with the effort, and it's a good team atmosphere, and so we just push each other internally, and that's kind of our bar, is how good can we be.
You got Biola coming in Saturday. That's always a really good game on the men's side, especially. What do you expect to see from them the second time around?
They're going to know us, so I'm sure Todd's going to make some adjustments. He's a really good coach, and they'll come in with their game plan. We'll try to do what we do. But like you said, it's going to be a great matchup. They're a very good team, and I'm excited for that game.
All right, Coach, another win today. The home win streak's still alive, 7-0 in conference. Great season so far, and good luck as we hit the end of the GSAC schedule here.
Thank you.